Students, today we are going to learn examples on capital and revenue transactions. These questions are taken from CA Foundation model number 1. Yes, look at that question. Classify the following items into capital or revenue. Part 4. Yes, this is a part 4. Expenses incurred in connection with obtaining a license for starting a new factory. It is capital expenditure. If we get license, if we spend money for obtaining license, that is a capital expenditure which will increase our profit earning capacity. We can write as a capital expenditure. Then second one, rupees 1000 paid for removal of stock, removal of inventory to a new site. It is a revenue expenditure. It is a revenue expenditure which will not increase our profit earning capacity. Okay. Third one, rings and pistons of an engine were changed at a cost of rupees 5000 to get fuel efficiency. It is capital expenditure. Why it is a capital expenditure? We are changing the rings and piston of the engine which will increase our profit earning capacity. So we can consider that one as capital expenditure. Then fourth one, money paid to BSNL. It is a telephone company. Rupees 8000 for installing a telephone in an office. It is not an expenditure. It is not a expenditure. It is not an expenditure. It is an asset. It is an asset. Why? Because it is a deposit. Deposit with the BSNL is a not an expenditure. It is a asset. Okay. Then fifth one, second-hand furniture purchased for rupees 9000. It is a capital expenditure. Repainting cost rupees 1000. That is also capital expenditure. The furniture was installed by own workman. Wages for this being how much? 200. So 9000 plus 1000 plus 200. Total 10,200 considered as a capital expenditure. Any repair, renewal for second-hand fixed asset we can consider as a capital expenditure. Then sixth one, expenses in connection with obtaining a license for running cinema worth 20,000. This is a capital expenditure. We are obtaining license, amount spent in order to get license, so we can consider as a capital expenditure. During the year, the cinema company penalized rupees 1000 for contravening the rules. This is revenue expenditure which will not increase our profit earning capacity. Then renewal fee rupees 2000 for the next year. Renewal fee, license renewal fee is a revenue expenses. Here the renewal fee paid for the next year, so it is a prepaid expenses. It is a prepaid expenses appeared in the asset side. It is not an expenditure. Prepaid expenditure, it appears in the asset side. Once again, expenses in connection with obtaining a license for running the cinema worth rupees 20,000. That is a capital expenditure. During the year, the cinema company penalized rupees 1000 for contravening the rules. That is revenue expenditure because that expenditure will not increase our profit earning capacity. Renewal fee is a revenue expenditure, but the renewal expenses paid for the next year, so we should treat it as a prepaid expenses. It will appear in the asset side. It is not an expenditure. Then seventh one, fire insurance rupees 1000 paid on 1st October for 1 year. We paid how much? 1000 rupees paid during the year on 1st October. Our period ending on 31st March. So October to March, 6 month. So out of 10,000, 6 month insurance, how much? 500. That is a revenue expenditure. Remaining 6 month insurance premium, 500 rupees. That is a prepaid expenses appeared in the asset side. That is prepaid expenses appeared in the asset side. So this year we paid 1000. This year we paid, sorry, here I recorded wrong amount. 1000 rupees. Yes, 1000 rupees. For 6 months, how much? 500. For this year we paid 500. For subsequent year we paid 500. So current year expenditure, revenue expenses we paid for subsequent year, that we called as prepaid expenses. It will appear in the asset side. Next, eighth one, inauguration expenses 25 lakh incurred on opening a new manufacturing unit in the existing business. It is a revenue expenses. It is a revenue expenses. Why inaugural expenses considered as a revenue expenses? The inaugural expenses which intended to benefit current period only. It will not increase our profit earning capacity in the subsequent year. So we can treat it as a revenue expenses. Next one. Compensation of 2.5 crore paid to worker those who opted VRS, voluntary retirement service. So we can consider as revenue expense. Why it is a revenue expenses? We are paying compensation to the retiring workers which will not increase our profit earning capacity, so we can treat it as a revenue expenses. Next we are going to see the second problem. Here the question is different. Look at the question. State with the reason whether the following statements are true or false. So this is a true or false. Overall expenses for second hand machinery purchased are revenue expenses. They are saying overall expenses of second hand machinery purchased are revenue expenses. It is false. It is false. Why it is false? Because any expenses incurred for the second hand fixed asset, we should consider that one as capital expenditure. So it is a sentence is false sentence. Okay. Then second one. Money spent to reduce the working expenses, very important. Money spent in order to reduce the working expense is revenue expenses. They are saying money spent to reduce working expenses is revenue expenses. The day-to-day expenses are reducing, it is revenue expenses, correct only, but in future it will give more profit to the business. So we can consider this one as capital expenditure. So this statement also false. So we can consider this one as capital expenditure. Then third one, legal fees to acquire property is a capital expenditure. It is true. It is true. It is true because expenditure incurred for acquiring fixed asset, we should treat it as a capital expenditure. Next, fourth one, amount spent as lawyer fee to defend a suit claiming that the firm's factory belongs to the plaintiff land is capital expenditure. It is false. The statement is false. Why? Because we are paying fees to lawyer as legal charges, which is considered to be the maintenance, of the land and building. So which is considered to be a revenue expenses, not that capital expenditure. Okay. Next, fifth one. Amount spent for replacement of worn out part of a machine is a capital expenditure. Amount spent for replacement of worn out part of a machine is a capital expenditure. This statement is false because it is a revenue expenses, since it will not increase this expenditure will not increase our profit earning capacity. Next, the replacement of tire in a lorry is a capital expenditure. The statement is false because the replacement of tire which will not increase our profit earning capacity. Understood? Which is incurred to operate the lorry. So we can consider as revenue expenses. Students, we completed examples on capital and revenue transaction. In next class, we will solve different problem. Till then, bye and thank you.